So now we will discuss update triggers. So here two types of triggers, same thing, before update, after update. Okay. So before update, so first we will see the difference, like when this trigger will be fired means before update. Before update, when this will be fired means if you are going to update one table like employee table, before going to do the update operation on employee table, this trigger will be fired before update. After update means after updating the employee table, it will be fired. Okay. So in before update trigger, we can modify the values. Okay. And after update, we cannot modify the value. Use cases means same thing like insert, before insert trigger. So we can do the validations and adjust the column values, and must return new values, then only new values will be populated in table. And if you return null, then it will skip to update. Okay. And existing data will be available in old table, new data will be available in new table, and if you raise an exception, update never happens. Okay. So we will see this all validation step by step. So create or replace function tr underscore before update function. This is the function name, and returns trigger language pgSQL as and begin. First, we can write the validation. I mean, we can store that existing value in some audit table. Okay. So insert, we have one audit table, tr underscore audit emp underscore audit table, and here employee number, e-name, salary, and department number, and action type. Okay. Here values. So existing values, I want to move to audit table. So existing values that will be stored in old table, old dot. So copy these column names, and this old dot you can give for remaining column names. Here action type before update. Okay. And return new. And here create or replace trigger tr underscore before update. So before update on employee tr underscore employee, tr underscore employee. For each row, execute function and copy this function. First, we will try to execute this function. So function is created without any error, and here trigger is created. Okay. And go to here, write update query, update tr_employee, set salary equal to 3000, where employee number equal to 7. EMP number equal to 7. Okay. And before going to execute these select queries, observe the output. There is no record for before update trigger. Execute it. See this. Before update. So earlier also we are having 3000. No? Okay, wait a minute. I will update here 4000. See now. See existing record 3000 before update. Okay, and present 4000. Okay, and if you write 5000, if you are trying to update 5000, and now check. See existing 4, now 5. Okay, so we can capture old values. Okay, and one more condition also we can write in this. We can check null. If you write null here, see what will happen. Here I am giving 6000. See update 0. So you can see 7th salary is 5000 only. Okay, 6000 it is not updated. Okay, so that means this here for 7 5000 is there. Okay, and audit table also 7 5000 is there. That means observe this logic. Whenever control comes here, this statement will be executed. Okay, that's why existing record 5000, existing record for employee number 5000, that will be moved to audit table. After executing this, return null. If you return null means employee table will not be updated. That's why in employee table we have salary of 5000, not updated value like 6000. Okay, so if you do the 7000, see 6 records, see again 5000, it came from employee table and it is not updated. Why? Because this function returning null. Okay, so if you want to do the update operation, you must return new. And if new salary is less than old salary, then I don't want to update. Okay. Or else first we will check this condition. If new salary is less than old salary, then only if new salary is greater than old salary, then only I want to move that old values into employee audit table. Otherwise, I don't require. Okay. So I will execute it. And new salary is greater than old salary. So existing salary is 5,000. So if you give 7,000, then that record will be moved to audit table. Okay, so here new will be there. So audit table, 7 records are there. See, 8th record. Okay, and this table is employee number 7 is updated with 7,000. Okay, earlier 7 records are there, now 8 records are there. Okay, and you can write, you can stop the updation also by writing raise exception. So salary is less than. Here I'm removing less than. If new salary is less than old salary, means salary is less than old salary, and you can print that salary new dot sal. Okay, so now present salary is in employee table 7,000 are there. So I want to update with 6,000, which is less than old salary, and see 6,000. Okay, so you can have a error, salary is less than old salary 6,000. Okay, see how many records are there, 8 records in employee audit table, and salary is for employee number 7, 7,000. So first for employee number 7, 7,000 only, it is not updated with salary of 6,000, and go to the audit table, 8,000 only, 8 records only available. So new record will not be inserted. Why? Because once you raise the exception, then it will not allow to insert the records. Okay. So is there anything pending? So when this will fire and validations completed, return new value, null value, we have checked old new tables, update never happened, raise the exception, can modify row values. Row values means if new dot salary here new dot salary equal to old dot salary plus 2,000. We will check whether it will work or not. That means if new salary is less than old salary, then I am going to update new salary equal to old salary plus 2,000. Okay. So what will be the old salary here? 7,000. Okay. So 7,000 plus 9,000 should be updated. See here. So 9,000 is updated. Okay. And 7,000. Okay. Or else you can write here new salary. So if you write like this means new salary plus 2,000 will be updated. So 6,000. So 8,000 It has to be updated with 8,000. We will check. See, 8,000 will be there. Okay, so earlier value, previous value 9,000. Okay, so this is about before insert, before update.